Críoch na Ceannais Peile Roscommon hóscóir an Athimirt Cata. Cléthe idir iarmhótóirí chuige chun Lucas Féil Phádraigh Phiarais agus Naomh Bríd. An Athimirt Cata bhád Brian Stack Naomh Bríd. Ciúcha na hiúcha slán na Athimirt, den na náta hogan i gréibhchonacht. Má darmach dunacha a haman trásdruachta.
One cóholaga den Lorcan Daly to go scores mar sin lárinne. Tá an Conor Harlíisteach an áit. Smó taithte go marsta Frank Canning chuirsaí mána fuair a ahar Seán bátrú na seachtain na Banach Dailis. Roscommon is lís mar ránóir, Bei sin súla mod spontais batha ó David Murray Ronan Daly super Jersey. Tá an Ceannais Bríd an áit ón Derwent lína lechúil den Naomh Bríd. Dan an fear úr an mhór Conor Carroll's gúil, Scaile Bheile an tin Cunningham mar Wanistóir. Fear ile le cáil Brigids an na Mainz. Bhí fardamach de Brian Stack, Eddie Nolan, Conor Hand Ben Carroll. An tí luaid an Naomh Bríd is na gansa glasa. Ben Carroll go siar, chuinál Chelvid, tá sin an lechúil i lár. Tá tuairt faoin scóir, tá sí fósa go gar rí chance ar scór, it's stop big a goal bar an tábhailt. Pádraig agus Harry Traston a sin. Ceannais Bríd dere. Brian Stack a tháinig chun cín. An bhacha se chéile. Dula mór níl Pádraig Mhic Phiarais treis Naomh Bríd bhúil riamh, it's a glyfa Ceannais an seo. Seo Declan Kenny is a go le rúthar. Jack Tumulty Jack Tumulty tuairt faoin scór, í bóilte go deasig Jack, Harry Traston. Pádraig Mhic Phiarais an lán tosach. Jack Tumulty cast a hart for the Turfy no, Chancha Traston chop. On cost the Cole! Agus Colleen talking Sean Canning. While Coro Hannah her a great killer in the Shachtana. It's cold and sco. The Tartarish talking to Skipper Chen. Gareth Shachtana. Oh, Toward Genta. So it's ear to Conor Carroll. He got her the car to Conor Hand or own Collern. Bríd a teachtaríis agus a price leide hen dal scélig board chun de Roscommon agus é sin kickáilte lena chit go Jennig Bobby Nugent kickáilte go háling aige trí chúlín atarnis tá sé sin Paul Carey tí bhis tá ráig a trasna sí fósaí Paul Carey chanta trasna is ríis Canada agus táhfuil diligent fhuighó chanta ag Conor Carroll. The bug so was Chelva Chohanich, Kieran Sugru. 4-6 Sugru or Douglas Sugru Harb Traston. Jet a cool active one. As an option, Connie Muds cool in the negative fraction, stopping Kate or Jinan Darur. So Kikmach, a Paul Whelan. Brigids agus an Buaicphointí ag Naomh Bríd ríis. Tá sí de teach go tréan. Comáin John Ishak chance ag Bobby Nugent. Cúigú Colleen. Fósach ar teach sa lárne agus scúne imróí fanna leis. Den Jeff Ben Carroll. Seo Bobby Nugent, Moleskel, agus Nugent in a kitog búilte go hálaigh ag Nugent. Tá Phiarais teachtaríis agus tamla fúr an scóir, tá ní trí chúlín chun deire anseo. Agus gur fanna taobh mugan stúa. Seo an seansan is ag Ronan Daly. Ronan Daly búilte fear agus inní Harry Traston an fiúin brota ráiste sin fan go bheiceáid. An brota ráiste chuir suas. Brandamid ríis. Nis bhí ord an nearnan cúlbar a tangáil. Rinnan cúlbar a tangáil. Díreach Ceannais. An hón riil sin, treistan an ólag. Ceannais kick an sin inis. Machlan a górn. Agus an Buaicphointí ag Naomh Bríd ríis is iad a teachta seo. Muim glas a teachta dro, chúl. Pádraig Mhic Phiarais. Robbie Dolan arrai Ben Carroll Jassig Ben. Go háling ag Ben an darúr dul muín na Jassig agus go háling ag Ben Carroll. Tá sí de tarrant sló. Scór a testáil. On the blick shot. The Hubert Darcy, Pádraig Darcy, Pizzas Cosíochta, Ellen Geir, Buaicphointí le Cluiche, agus Buaicphointí Asaige. CLG sin a tastal. Garishach an anflocal denta. Caidan o cosanta, Goma and shot and yo. Peile Roscommon. Ron Holy Chatamachin. Caleb Kyo. Tarring is sheer, well, Corta Dubeder. Yeah, and Corta does spawn to Trent. O'Connor hand. Bríd attack to east. Ben O'Carroll. Ilin Yeri Ben. Achi Butts a go hauling again. Cuigo Colin scoring Ben O'Carroll. Connor hand tucker stacker east. Scanter reach. Ski egg a bit of ski way. A fuja ski. So this tuck Colin Butts again. Cheshire Frey Hunt in Charleston and Peile going in Mahorton in Murray Keen. So say Brian Derwin a chop. Shanter Cole, Derwin does force on her Lena Derwin and a go. Tashiste. Splother Hershey stop here. August Camping of Shin. Tan was reach here. They wrote the long toss. Last up here. Cosner Lena Derwin and a gorn. What's that? It's a Ceannais, Tashi Kickelta or Tashi Kickelta Harry Traston, Nachabay, what is Bugips in a Tastal. Conor Ryan, Gigantron. Kocherish. Sherigan Lachulilor. Cashin payroll, cool now. Can a few touching can Ord, Budsa, with Paul Carey, Tashi Ord, Tashi Harry Traston, Tashi the final clash. Carrick in the corner. As yn dan dymach na do Gernach Shade says Naomh Bríd yr asyn o'ch the reach a Roscommon. Goni Jazz Crib o'ch yn chach nar a one to the Corson. He's Pearses.
Performance today probably left a bit behind us the last day in that we weren't as happy as we should have been. So it was a really tough battle on 2 days now, and I have to say Pearses were worthy champions. They're a fine side, brilliant side, and it's a great advert for Roscommon football.
We probably played with a bit of fear last week, and this week we really came out and we were just like, look, express yourselves. If we lose expressing ourselves, it's easier to deal with than coming out not expressing ourselves and losing. So I think we did, and I think everyone that played put in a 7, 8 out of 10 performance, and we're just absolutely delighted. It's always great to come out of a county final day with a win, and I'm just so delighted for these players and this club. It's just serious atmosphere around here.
We're delighted to represent Roscommon in the Connacht Championship. It's going to be against the London champions or Ballina, and I think it's here in 2 weeks' time. So looking forward to that, and